Hello students, welcome to our today's class, and today we are going to revise our fourth chapter, that is metals and non-metals. Okay, so before moving to our today's revision chapter, students, let me tell you one thing that I think you don't want internal marks of science subject. Okay, so many students has not submitted your science internal assignments. Okay, your science internals. Okay, you will not get marks. So students, this is the last chance which I am going to give you, that today's date, that is 26th of October, Monday. Today itself, the student who has not submitted your science internal, I am giving you this day, Monday 26th of October, to submit your science internal. Okay, after that it will not at all accepted. Okay, so uh, just think about it and submit your assignment. That's it. Okay, so let's revise our today's chapter, that is chapter 4, metals and non-metals. Okay, so student, you all know that different elements have the different properties. Yes, and these properties can make these elements suitable for various kinds of purposes. Okay, so the elements can be classified into two broad categories, that is metals and non-metals. Okay, you all are aware about this, that what is metal, what is non-metal. So this is a quick revision of this chapter. Okay, so metals, they include, that is silver, iron, gold, then aluminium, mercury. They are metals. And what about non-metals? Non-metals are like diamond, oxygen. Okay, so they are called as non-metals. Okay, then there are some physical properties of metals and non-metals. What are they? Let's revise. Okay, so physical properties, here in the first property, that is physical state. फिजिकल स्टेट मतलब क्या होता है? वेदर इट इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट, लिक्विड स्टेट और गैसियस स्टेट. ओके, सो व्हाट अबाउट मेटल्स? Metals, almost all the metals are solid at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is in a liquid state. Okay, so it is not in solid state. Otherwise all the metals are in a solid state. Okay, then what about non-metals? Non-metals, all the non-metals are solid or gaseous at room temperature except bromine. ब्रोमीन जो है वो लिक्विड होता है, दैट इज वी यूज टू कॉल्ड इट एज ब्रोमीन वाटर. सो इट इज इन लिक्विड स्टेट. अदरवाइज ऑल द नॉन मेटल्स आर ऑल्सो इन सॉलिड्स और गैसियस स्टेट एट रूम टेम्परेचर. Okay, so this is about physical state of metal and non-metal. Then the second property is luster. Okay, so luster, which means what? Luster, which means luster or the shiny surface, is a property of most of the metal. Okay, shiny surface. Metals such as gold, silver, platinum, they are used for what? Making jewelries and decorative material. Okay, you all know that, you all are aware about this. Then what about non-metals? They don't show this kind of lustrous properties. Okay, all the non-metals have a dull surface. They don't have any kind of shiny surface, except graphite and iodine show some kind of lustrous surface. Otherwise all the metals are in a dull surface. They don't show any kind of luster property. Okay, then about color. Okay, so the metal, most of the metals are white or silvery gray in color, gold is yellow in color, and copper is reddish brown in color. Okay, yes. Then what about non-metals? Some of the non-metals are colorless while some are colored. Okay, chlorine, it shows greenish yellow, it is a greenish yellow gas, and bromine is a brown liquid. So they are called as non-metals, but they show some kind of color. Okay, then yes, then what about the fourth property, that is called as hardness. Okay, hardness, वो कितने हार्ड है. ओके, कितने what type of whether they have soft surface or whether they are hard surface. So metals, most of the metals are hard, but some are so soft. For example, sodium and potassium. And what about non-metals? Non-metals are generally soft except diamond. Diamond जो होता है वो hard होता है. It is not, it doesn't shows that softness property. Okay, it is a hard type of metal. Okay, diamond जो है वो hard होता है, non-metal. ठीक है. Then the fifth property is malleability. Okay, metals, what is malleability? पहले वो देखते हैं. The property by virtue of which metals can be beaten into the thin sheets or foils is called as malleability. For example, gold, silver, aluminium, iron, copper, tin. Okay, so ऐसे जो मेटल होते हैं जिसमें से thin sheet निकलता है और foil जो है वो form हो सकता है, तो उनको क्या प्रॉपर्टी बोलेंगे मेटल की? दैट इज malleability. Okay, for example, here you can see the aluminium sheet. Yes. Then what about non-metal? Non-metal cannot be beaten into sheets or foils. Yes. Sixth property is ductility. The property by virtue of which metal can be drawn into the thin wires is called as ductility. Okay, जिसमें से तीन वायर जो है वो हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, तीन वायर निकल सकते हैं. So for example, gold, silver, copper, aluminium, tungsten. Gold, silver, that you all are aware about this. Okay, उसमें से like we used some kind of chains and all. So gold chain होती है, silver chain होती है. Then here you can see aluminium wire. Yes. What about non-metals? Non-metals are brittle and they cannot be drawn into wires. Okay. Yes. Then the seventh property is thermal conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat. Yes. Therefore, they are used for making what? Cooking utensils. What about non-metals? Non-metals are poor conductor of heat except diamond. Okay. Eighth property is electrical conductivity. Metals are good conductors of electricity also and heat also. Okay, therefore they are used for making what? Electrical wires, cables. Yes. And what about non-metal? Non-metal are poor conductor of electricity except graphite. Yes. Okay. Then sonority. What is sonority? Metals, here in this, the property by virtue of which metal object produced a ringing sound when stuck with a hard object is called as sonority. जब कोई भी मेटल एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्टक हो जाते हैं तो क्या उसमें से निकलता है? अ ringing sound, a melodious sound which you will hear. So that property of metal is called as sonority. For example, wind chimes and bells. Okay, तो उसमें क्या यूज़ होता है? मेटल का यूज़ होता है. ओके. What about non-metals? Non-metal produce a dull sound when they stuck with a hard object. So non-metal do not show this sonority property. Okay. Yes. So this is all about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Now let's see the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So here there are some kind of reaction which you will see, that is reaction with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxide. Okay, when metal combine with oxygen, it form metal oxide. Okay, for example, just you can see that when sodium is combined with oxygen, it will form sodium oxide. Okay. Then non-metal react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. These oxides are called as acidic oxides. Okay, when non-metal react with oxygen, they form non-metallic oxide. For example, carbon react with oxygen, it form carbon dioxide. Okay. Yes. Then reaction with water. Most of the metals react with the water to produce a metal hydroxide or metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay. For example, sodium when react with water, it form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay. Non-metals do not react with water. Non-metal जो है वो water के साथ react नहीं करते. Yes. Then the another topic, that is corrosion. What is corrosion? Here, the corrosion is the process of slow wearing away of metal due to the attack of atmospheric gases and moisture on its surface is called as corrosion. मतलब due to the because of atmospheric gases and moisture, metal के ऊपर क्या हो जाता है? This kind of surface will start producing on the surface of metal. Okay, so you will get this type of metal, this type of surface on the metal. So that means it is a corroded metal. Okay, iron and other many metals react with oxygen and moisture present in the atmosphere, and they form this kind of surface on this kind of surface of metal. So that is called as what? That is called as corrosion. Okay, then reaction with acids. Here you can see when a metal react with an acid, a salt and hydrogen gas are produced. For example, when metal react with acid, salt plus hydrogen gas it will give. Like when zinc react with sulfuric acid, it will give zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. नॉन मेटल जो है वो एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करते. Then reaction with bases. Most of the metals do not react with bases. Only a few such as aluminium, zinc, lead react with the solution of strong bases such as sodium hydroxide to produce a compound of that metal and hydrogen gas. Okay, the reactions of non-metals with bases are very complex that you will learn in your next standard. Okay, so now what about a displacement reaction? In a displacement reaction, when metal reacts with salt solution and replace the metal present in it. Here what happen? You will find one kind of reactivity series, this kind of reactivity series. So the reactivity series of metal is a list of common metal arranged in the decreasing order of reactivity. Here you will see that this is the most reactive metal, and here you will see a least reactive metal. ठीक है? Okay. Ag silver जो है, silver plus ZnSO4 it will not react with each other. ठीक है, सिल्वर जो है वो जिंक के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. बट जिंक एंड CuSO4, जिंक कहाँ पे है? जिंक जो है वो कॉपर के साथ रिएक्ट कर सकता है बिकॉज इट इज़ व्हाट? इट इज़ मोर रिएक्टिव. सो यू शुड फाइंड द मेटल विच इज़ मोर रिएक्टिव देन द अदर मेटल. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयन रिएक्ट्स विथ कॉपर. आयन कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पे. इट रिएक्ट्स विथ कॉपर बिकॉज कॉपर जो है वो आयन के नीचे है, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ लीस्ट रिएक्टिव. ओके, बट कॉपर जो है इट डजेंट रिएक्ट विथ आयन. कॉपर जो है वो आयन के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करता, आयन जो है वो कॉपर के साथ रिएक्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है? यस. सो दिस इज अबाउट अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. Now, what are the uses of metals and non-metals? You all know that metals and non-metals are very useful in each and every kind of our household things. Everywhere you will see the uses of metals and non-metals. So let's see a little kind of uses of metals and non-metals. Okay, so for example, iron. Iron is used in making heavy machineries, building material, furnitures, okay, gates, windows and door grills. तो आयन इसमें यूज हो जाता है. देन व्हाट अबाउट स्टील? स्टील का यू ऑल नो दैट स्टील के ग्रिल्स भी होते हैं. इट विल बी यूज्ड इन मेकिंग व्हाट? मेकिंग बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, नेल्स एंड स्क्रूज. खिला जो होता है उसमें भी स्टील का यूज होता है. यस. देन व्हाट अबाउट कॉपर? कॉपर जो है यूज्ड ऑफ फॉर मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर्स. इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर्स जो होते हैं कॉपर के होते हैं. सो दैट इज अ कॉपर वायर विच वी यूज्ड इन आवर होम. एंड केबल्स, कॉइल्स, पाइप फिटिंग, उसमें कॉपर का यूज्ड होता है. ठीक है? यस. देन वॉट अबाउट एल्यूमिनियम? इसका तो यूज़ आपको पता है. इट यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ मशीनरीज, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, स्ट्रीट लाइट पोल्स. ओके, स्ट्रीट लाइट पोल्स जो होते हैं उसमें एल्यूमिनियम का यूज़ होता है. येस. देन जिंक. जिंक इज यूज्ड फॉर कोटिंग आयरन सो एज टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम रस्टिंग. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज गैल्वेनाइजेशन. जिंक जो है उसका इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कोटिंग आयरन के ऊपर उसका यूज़ होता है, सो दैट टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम रस्टिंग, ठीक है। देन मर्क्यूरी इज यूज्ड इन थर्मोमीटर, यस। व्हाट अबाउट लीड इज यूज्ड इन कार बैटरीज, पेंट्स, ओके, लीड इन पेंट्स में यूज हो जाता है। एंड गोल्ड, सिल्वर, प्लैटिनम, you all know that the uses of gold, silver, platinum क्या होता है, it is used in making jewelries, okay। So these are the uses of metals. Then uses of non-metals. What are the uses of non-metals? For example, diamond is also used in making jewelries. Then cutting and drilling tools, वो hard होता है diamond, so that's why it is used in making and cutting and drilling of tools, different kinds of tools. Then graphite, it is a non-metal which is used in lead of pencil, yes, and zinc carbon batteries. Then hydrogen is used in synthesis of ammonia and methyl alcohol, then welding torches, and in extraction of metals and non-polluting fuels. So here the hydrogen is widely used. Then sulfur is used in hardening of rubber, production of matches, okay, here the sulfur is used production of matches, इसका जो टिप होता है वो सल्फर का होता है। एंड देन डाइज, इंसेक्टिसाइड, फंगिसाइड्स, उसमें क्या होता है, सल्फर का यूज होता है। देन व्हाट अबाउट सिलिकॉन? Silicon is used in making microchips and semiconductors. Here the silicon microchips are used. नाइट्रोजन इज़ यूज्ड इन पैकेजिंग फूड आइटम्स सच एज चिप्स, तो उसमें जो गैस होती है वो कौन सी गैस होती है, नाइट्रोजन गैस होती है, सो दैट इट विल लुक गुड एंड ऑल, ओके, यस। देन व्हाट अबाउट ऑक्सीजन, विच इज स्टोर्ड इन सिलेंडर विच आर यूज्ड इन माउंटेनियर्स एंड डीप सी ड्राइवर्स एज ब्रीदिंग इक्विपमेंट। सो ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत सबको होती है, यस। सो ऑक्सीजन इज यूज्ड, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर जो होता है वो यूज्ड होता है फॉर ब्रीदिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग, यस। So this is all about your today's revision class. Students, go through the video. We have to watch your video, and again I'm telling you that the students who has not submitted your science internal, do submit. You have only today's date, today's one day. After that it will not at all acceptable, okay. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.